I'm Colin Rea. I'm the director of Big Noise Chorus, which is a collection of community choirs across the whole of Devon. It's approximately 500 singers across 5 choirs, and we raise money for charity. We've done a choir exchange to France, we've been to Colston Hall in Bristol, we've been part of the Torbay Carnival, the Northcote Theatre in Exeter. So there's some quite exciting, quite high profile gigs we get to do. So although, yes, there's a heavy focus on fun, we've got a product to deliver at the end of that, and that has to be the best that it possibly can be. Our strapline is singing for all, so regardless of what background people are from, they're very, very welcome with us. Sometimes people come along and to begin with they don't sing in the first session. They soon get swept up in it though, and before they know it, they can't help it. It helps if you've got a good sense of humour and also as well to be quite open-minded, and if you can't sing in tune, that's fine. My job as a teacher is to teach you to sing in tune. The atmosphere is quite electric. When you have that many voices, 150 voices, all making a huge noise together, you cannot help but be moved by that.
Brothers and sisters, brothers and sisters, brothers and sisters, just brothers and sisters, brothers and sisters, the eyes and say, we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. Because there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, but you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone, oh no. Something inside so strong, oh, something inside so strong.
When I step back and look at it, I feel so proud. If you'd have said, how will this look in 10 years' time? I didn't expect it would be as big as it is now, and I didn't expect quite how many wonderful people I'd meet.
So